Here we are at Keeprewarding.com. We're going to start with Tap Research. Tap Research is a survey site with short surveys, and if you get disqualified, you still get points. One of the best survey sites going is Tap Research. Next, we're going to AdGate Media. AdGate Media $27 points to print coupons. Survey Savvy, 210 points to install on your computer or smartphone, then you get paid $5 a month for installing the software. Next, Driverless ads. More coupons. 10 points, 10.5 points for printing coupons there, and $7 points for printing coupons there. That's Driverless. Next, Apertura. Apertura, 13 points for printing out coupons there, top coupons. Next is Radium 1, but today there are no coupons there, but there are usually coupons on Radium 1. Next is Revenue Universe. $7 points to print out coupons there, Revenue Universe. Another way to make extra money is Engage Me TV, whereas you watch videos, play videos. Play videos, 0.75 points. Open up 3 windows and get more points. Next is Video Loyalty. Video Loyalty, 0.975 points per 4 ads. Open up 1, 2, 3 windows, make extra more points.